The Trump administration has ordered suspension of the issuance of certain visas to citizens of Laos after the country refused to take back its persons deported from the United States. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security made the announcement on Tuesday afternoon, saying it had ordered the State Department to sanction visas for Laos and Myanmar because the two countries have denied or unreasonably delayed accepting their nationals ordered removed. U.S. officials claimed they had made diplomatic communications at the highest level of government in Laos before resorting to the heavy penalties. U.S. consular officials in Vientiane were ordered to impose visa restrictions on certain applicants. A statement at the Department of Homeland Security website reads, as of July 9, 2018, the U.S. Embassy in Vientiane, Laos, has discontinued the issuance of all B1, B2, and B1, B2 non-immigrant visas for current officials at the Director General level and above from the Lao Ministry of Public Security (MPS), as well as their immediate families, and all A3 and G5 non-immigrant visas to individuals employed by Lao government officials, with limited exceptions. According to U.S. law, countries that agree to accept back citizens must issue travel documents for deportees before the U.S. can deport them. In the case of Laos, the government allegedly refused or delayed the supply of these documents. As of July, 9 countries including Laos are being considered uncooperative. Sanctions still apply to Cambodia and Myanmar as well. Source: DHS, Washington Examiner.